Gary.
9:45 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. At 9:58 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing waterspouts was located 11 nautical miles northeast of Pillar Point, moving northeast at 35 knots. Hazard: waterspouts and wind gusts in excess of 50 knots. Source: radar. Impact: waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Boats could suffer significant structural damage in high winds. Small craft could capsize in suddenly higher waves. The severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. The following is an urgent warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in the San Francisco Bay Area has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Pigeon Point to Point Pinos, California, out to 10 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Point Reyes to Pigeon Point, California, out to 10 nautical miles. Waters from Pigeon Point to Point Pinos, 10 to 16 nautical miles until 10:45 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. At 9:39 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, a shower capable of producing waterspouts was located 15 nautical miles south of Pillar Point, moving northeast at 40 knots. Hazard: waterspouts and wind gusts in excess of 50 knots. Source: radar. Impact: waterspouts can create locally hazardous seas. Boats could suffer significant structural damage in high winds. Small craft could capsize in suddenly higher waves. The shower will remain over mainly open waters. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high